Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is May the 3rd, and I wanted to show you a little update video on the cantaloupe plants. I haven't done any video on this in a while, and I thought I probably should. And these are all still inside. Our weather is not suitable for planting plants for probably, what are we, another 3 weeks or so, maybe even more. But I just wanted to show you these. If these had been outside a month ago, I believe the progress of these things would have been probably 3 times the size. But at this point right now, I'm very happy that they're not growing too quickly. Unfortunately, we do have a lot of flowers already happening, and I wish that wasn't happening already. But there's nothing I can do. I probably shouldn't have started these off so early. I probably should have waited about 3 weeks before I started them. But anyway, you can see how big they are. They're, in comparison to my fingers here, you can see. But anyway, I just wanted to give you a really fast update. So that's it. I will keep you updated on these. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.